So let's talk about MyScreen. Now, this is really cool. It's a way for you to customize 3 different screens to whatever you like. And you can do kind of categories. You can make one your entertainment screen. You can make one kind of a navigation screen, and you can make one a miscellaneous screen. Plenty of possibilities for you to enjoy the information that you like while driving down the road. So let's configure one to show you how to do it. Select the option button here, and then select MyScreen. You're going to choose one. Here you have the 3 different screens, and you can reset them if you like by pushing this bottom button. Let's select MyScreen 1, and as you can see, this is kind of the default screen that they have there. There's a number of different categories. We have media, telephone, sound, vehicle, and other. So let's dive in and take a look. Now, each one of these kind of widgets, we'll call them, are different sizes, and will take up a different portion of my screen, and you can overwrite those. Now, say for instance here we've got some media, current location, and Bose, but say for instance I want all of that to be media because this is going to be kind of my media style screen, so I'm going to pull that over there. We'll go down from here, and since we're talking about media, I'm going to go ahead and put my sound over here with the Bose. Take my sound and put that right there. We'll find another box that fits the size of this location. And there you go. We've configured one of the MyScreen pages on your 718.